Morning guys, it is April 24th on a Tuesday today. I have 2 eggs with 1 slice of Velveeta, 1 slice of bacon, 2 Smart Points there, 1 Smart Point for my coffee, which is just about gone. And that is breakfast this morning, 3 Smart Points. I had 2 packets of these 4-5 Smart Points, because once you have 2, they go up 1. Hey guys, I'm out walking, probably do a mile or 2. It's a little breezy out here, but it's perfect. The temperature is probably 65-ish or so, at least it feels that warm. We will talk to you guys when I get home for lunch. I had 1 of these coming home from the grocery store, and this is 3 Smart Points. I also had a espresso with a Premier Protein, which was 2 Smart Points, so 5 Smart Points. Having a Premier Protein for part of my lunch. Guys, out on a second walk. I've got Luna with me, trying to see if she will go potty for me before I put her back in. Still nice out, but it's going to rain, which is better than snow. We'll see you guys later. 1 cup of chili for 1 Smart Point and 32 ounces of water. And that is dinner tonight. We are heading out on a walk, Corey and I. This is my 3rd walk. I'm at 3 miles now. We'll see how far we walk right now, and I'll let you know. Geese. It's sprinkling out. It's been sprinkling our entire trip back home. So the last mile or so we've been sprinkled on. Actually, 1.5 miles about. Almost home though. A lot of deer out here, yeah. So I'm trying out the Oikos plain. I've got 10 grams of PB2 in there, 3 grams of the chocolate sugar-free fudge chocolate pudding mix, and a packet of stevia. And we're going to mix this up and try the Oikos out. They were out of Faye at the store. And then I'm having a banana. Good evening, you guys. Well, I had a great day today. I walked 6 miles, over 6 miles today. I had 3 separate walks. I took 1 by myself, which was a 2-mile walk. Then I took Luna on another almost a mile walk, and then we walked a little over 3 miles just now. And it was sprinkling out almost the entire time. But we kept walking. We thought, well, if it gets too bad, we can always call my husband's mom. She lives next door and she can come and pick us up. So we kept on walking, and we ended up making it back without getting too soaking wet. So I got a little over 6 miles in. Food was actually really good. I have points left over. I will probably end up having some cottage cheese yet tonight and maybe some regular cheese. I am in a cheese mood. I don't know why, I just am. And it's protein too, so that's a good thing. Maybe I might have some yogurt. I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. I'll kind of know when I get upstairs and how I feel. There's 2 yogurts I wanted to try out. They were out of the Faye yogurt, so I ended up getting 2 of the single serve containers to try out. And I'm hoping they're really thick like the Faye yogurt is, because I love the Faye because it's so thick and we like the taste of it. Hopefully it's about the same. So anyway, I had a good day today. I did have a bag of chips, but I'm so far under points yet that it really didn't matter. I took a run into town. I got some more groceries. I am going to have a fruit today as well. I don't think I had any fruit today. I didn't have any fruit. I had some veggies, but probably only a serving worth of veggies. I know, I don't know. I'm gonna eat some carrots maybe too, so that'll be another serving. Otherwise, yeah, it was a great day today. I was really happy with today. The thing that is bugging me right now is that my scale still is not moving. It still isn't. A few weeks back, I had done a couple weeks where I was eating more, eating almost all of my weeklies, and I still wasn't losing hardly any weight at all. I think I'm just at a plateau. I really do. I think that's what it is. I was watching an older video and I noticed I had my larger jacket on, and I remember it was fitting me pretty good then, And now it's too big for me. I had to get a smaller jacket, and I hadn't lost that much weight in between that video and now. So I think I'm losing inches for sure. I'm going to wait another week or two before I measure, because I did measure a few weeks ago and I had lost inches then as well. So if I'm losing inches, that's not going to bother me then. The weight will eventually start coming off again, but my body's just readjusting or doing something. I don't know, but I'm not giving up. I am going to keep on fighting this. Maybe soon this weight will begin to come back off again. And I know I'm eating too many carbs too. I have to change that. I have to get control of my eating. Even though I'm eating in my points, I still am eating too many carbs. I know that. I have put my eggs down a little bit, so that may help, although I don't think it's an egg issue at all. I have eaten so many eggs in the past before, and I was losing weight like crazy. I don't think it's the eggs. I think it's the carbs. I think it's the chips. I think it's the cookie from Trader Joe's, those school box cookies. I think it is, well, those are the two main things that I'm having trouble with, is those two things. I haven't even had these things, guys. I haven't had any of these in days, and I was kind of addicted to those too, but now I have no problem leaving those alone. I'm still getting into school box cookies once in a great while. I have not touched them today. Yay me. I had some yesterday though. I had a big handful. Although yesterday my points were good. I stayed in my range, and I even got, I didn't even use any of my weeklies, but I was hungry because I ate a lot of the school box cookies, and that didn't fill me up, but it used up a lot of points. So I was hungry. I fought through the day and I made it, but the scale still didn't move. So it's got to be the carbs. It's got to be. So my main goal is to eat more if I want more, but try to keep it more protein based and not so carbish. The carbs that I want to eat are my fruit. If I can do that this week, I think I will have a pretty successful week. I think if I work on those, I think it will really, really help. So that is my plan. I hope I can do it. It's just really frustrating when you don't see the losses coming on and you know that you're doing good, you're staying in the blue dot. However, it's making me push to stay on this because I know for a fact that I need to work on my carbs. It's my own fault that I have that gain or that I haven't been losing because of the added carbs, so I'm going to keep on fighting. I realize that that's probably what it is. I have not went out to eat in, I don't even know how long. Well, since the taco. Since we were in Texas, I had 2 tacos for 12 points, and I didn't even go over my points that day. All week I stayed in my points, and I came home and gained. I was up 5 pounds, but by the time weigh-in was here, I think I gained 1.6 that week, which wasn't terrible, but yet I stayed in my points. I also ate too many carbs and too many Diet Cokes. So I have to weigh my things here. I have to make better choices with what I eat. Eat more vegetables, eat more fruit. Those are the 2 main things I need to work on. Fruit isn't as bad. Although I didn't have many fruit today, I'm going to work on that tonight. So I'll probably have like an apple and a banana or something like that tonight. I'm kind of hungry. I had the chili that you saw, but I didn't eat it all because I was kind of full, and I knew we were going for a walk, so I didn't want to stuff myself too much because I get like a side ache after I eat and I exercise. So I just wanted to keep it lower. I probably had close to a cup, but not quite. So I left some of that in my bowl, didn't eat it all. And then tonight I'm going to work on, probably I'll end up having a yogurt and then some fruit. That'll probably be my night. And I'm going to have points left over. I'll probably have like 6 points. No, have more like 5 points left over. I'm going to try for 4 points to roll over. But I don't want to force myself to eat too much either right before I go to bed. And it's 8 o'clock right now, so I need to hurry up and get my food in. I don't like eating after 8. And guys, I've got 21,000 steps today. Yes, I do. I feel so proud about that. And I burned 3,000 calories. I got 24 flights of stairs, 141 minutes of constant movement. Wow. And I've got 8 miles in total. 6 of those miles were walking, straight out walking. I went to the store, I did more walking there, and then I walked and cleaned the house and stuff. So that's where my steps are coming in at. Wow, I did awesome today. If this scale does not move this Saturday, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Unless I don't change my carbs up, then I understand why it's not moving. So I'm not gonna get angry with myself. I'm just going to change it. That's all I can do. I can't get angry from what I've already done in the past. I can only change what I'm doing in the future. So I'm not gonna get angry at myself. I'm not gonna say, oh, what you're doing is wrong, because yeah, you can eat whatever you want. However, carbs, sodium, that sort of thing always make me gain or stay the same. So I need to change up those things. I've been doing really good on my sodium though, guys. I've been kind of keeping track of my sodium, and I'm right about between 23 and 2500. So not bad for sodium the last couple days. I don't think that's going to be the problem this week. I think if there's a problem with the scale, it's going to be the carbs that I'm eating. Simple as that. So I'm going to work on changing that the next few days up and see how it works. I hope I can control this. I hope I can. Most of the bad stuff's out of the house. We just have a few of the Trader Joe cookie things left, and I'm not going to touch those because I know my husband wants them at night. He has one a night, like I told you before, and I'm not going to touch any more of those because he'll yell at me if I eat them all. He'll yell at me because he likes having one of those every night because it's 0 points for just one. So he has one every night. He lets the dogs out. He has one of those. That's his like little dessert thing. I don't know how he can control it, actually. He does so well at controlling what he eats. It is amazing. I wish I could be like him, but I'm not. I have cravings that I can't control half the time. But I'm working on it. I am working on it. So anyway, that is all I have for you today. Sorry I didn't post a video yesterday. We got caught up in life and we had a long school day. We took a couple days off when my husband took a couple days off from work, and we had to catch up. So I had a long couple days with school days, and then we got grocery shopping, and we're getting outside more. We're exercising more. We're doing all of this stuff, I'm trying to get my butt out of the house because I know I do better on the road and when I'm out of this house, so when I'm not bored. So, and I've also been trying to organize and clean this house and keep my hands busy. That helps too. So that's it. That's all I got for you today. And I'm going to try to get a what I ate tomorrow up as well. Well, yeah, I'll get another what I ate up tomorrow for sure. So I will see you guys tomorrow for another what I ate. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you think this may help anybody, please share it. So we will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.